This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make your Alexa lights display a beautiful rainbow effect, step by step. First, ensure your Alexa device is powered on and connected to your home's Wi-Fi network. Next, confirm that your smart lights are compatible with Alexa and are properly installed and functioning. Finally, open the Alexa application on your smartphone or tablet to begin the setup process. Now, let's create a routine. In the Alexa app, tap More in the bottom right corner, then select Routines. You'll see a plus icon in the top right. Tap it to start a new routine. This is where you'll define how your rainbow lights will be activated. Choose a simple trigger phrase like Alexa, rainbow lights to make it easy to remember and use. This is the fun part. Add an action and choose custom to enter specific commands. For example, type Set Your Lights name to red and add a wait action for 2 seconds. Then, repeat this for orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. This sequence of colors with short pauses will create a smooth, flowing rainbow effect across your smart lights. Finally, review all the actions you've added, ensuring the colors and wait times are exactly as you want them. Once you're satisfied, tap Save to finalize your new rainbow light routine. Now, it's time to test it out. Simply speak your chosen trigger phrase, such as Alexa, rainbow lights, and watch your room transform with vibrant, flowing colors. Enjoy your personalized light show.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.